In this video, I'm going to show you the two fastest way to take screenshot on your Samsung device, just like this. You see, that is a screenshot. So you'll be able to take screenshot with your Samsung phone in this device. So you'll be able to learn two different ways that you can easily take screenshot on your Samsung device. So the first method to take a screenshot on your Samsung device is use the power button and the volume down button together. If you press the power button and the volume down button together at the same time, your device will take a screenshot. So for instance, let's say I want to take the screenshot of my Samsung device on Google Play Store. All you need to do is press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Then you should see the screenshot at the bottom left. Click on that, and this is the screenshot. You can edit the screenshot. You can crop out unwanted part like this. You can change it to full screen. You can add, you can erase objects from the screenshot. You can do a whole bunch of things from the screenshot. Now, another way to take screenshot on your Samsung device is using the notification tray. If you strap down your notification tray just like this, and then there is a feature called screenshot. There you go. This is take screenshot. If I hit take screenshot here, this is going to take my phone screenshot. There you go. So that is the screenshot. I just took a screenshot right now. Now, if the screenshot feature is missing on your Samsung phone notification, all you need to do is tap on this edit button before the power button. Once that is clicked, just select any of these. Then you have the ability to move the screenshot from here to here by long pressing this and then drag it here. Long press and drag. So all you need to do is just long press on the screenshot and drag it to the notification tray and then hit the done button. Once you hit the done button, just swipe down like this and then hit the screenshot icon to take screenshot. And there you go. The screenshot is taken. So this is how to take screenshot on Samsung device. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit like it, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.